Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change the thermostat on a Chrysler Town and Country. This is a straightforward repair you can do yourself. First, gather your tools, a wrench set, pliers, and a screwdriver. You'll also need a new thermostat, a fresh gasket, and some new coolant. Make sure you have a drain pan to catch the old fluid. Let's get started. Now let's drain the coolant. Find the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom of the radiator. Position your drain pan to catch all the old coolant. Open the plug and allow the system to drain completely. Once it's empty, you can close the plug. Next, locate the thermostat housing on your engine, typically near the upper radiator hose connection.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY car tips. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the coolant drained, it's time to remove the old thermostat. Use your pliers or a screwdriver to loosen the clamp on the upper radiator hose where it connects to the thermostat housing. Gently twist and pull the hose off. Then, unbolt the thermostat housing from the engine block. Be careful, as a little more coolant might spill out. Remove the old thermostat and its gasket. Before installing the new thermostat, thoroughly clean the mating surfaces on both the housing and the engine block. This ensures a good seal. Place the new gasket, then insert the new thermostat, making sure the spring side faces into the engine. Reattach the housing, tightening the bolts evenly. Finally, reconnect the upper radiator hose and secure its clamp tightly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.